hello everyone. I've just been here all of my journal. Like not only am I so excited because I'm going to Bougie today. First you need cucumbers, of course. Pretty good. Her house, okay, and we were really bored. Oh my god! Guess what? I just received my third wave order, so life is worth living again. Hello everyone! Welcome back to today's vlog. I know this top is bedazzled, which is like, where do you think you're going? Nowhere, literally gonna rot in bed. But you know, today's vlog is literally about doing all the things I love, because as you saw in my last vlog, I went to Delhi, and now that I'm back, I'm like, I need to do the shit I love because romanticizing life, because there's also fun things to do at home, and every time you come back from a trip, doing stuff that you already like becomes so much more enjoyable. And for me, I don't use trips as like an escape. Like yes, I do in a dramatic way, but I always like things to come back to. Like literally you're gonna slap me for this, but like going to Bougie or doing my workout class now that I finally joined a Pilates class, journal, organize my room. I have bought so many new clothes, jewelry, whatnot, exhibit A, that I have to give you also a haul of, and literally organize, do laundry, all that fun stuff. Like it's so fun when you get like a bunch of stuff on a vacation and then you come back and then you organize all of it. You have to like put it in your closet. It's like the serotonin is just unmatched. I have so many YouTube videos lined up that I haven't caught up on. So like imagine doing all of that but playing YouTube in the background. Everything coming back to that, being happy about that, romanticizing that, sharing that with you guys, because having a good life means having a life you love coming back to. Life is worth living, and I'm so grateful. And I was just like laying in bed with my doggo, who is another thing that I love coming back to, and I was like, I need a vlog today because it is so fun. This is my doggo. He's just sleeping here. Hi. I've just been here giving him kisses. I won't now because now I put on lip gloss, but like how cute is this little doggo? But anyways, welcome to the vlog. Let's go taste my coffee and get this shit going. One I order all the time from Third Wave is the iced French vanilla latte. So let's put it in my cup and taste test. I kid you not, I'm not over exaggerating. I don't know if it's the fact that I have not drank coffee, like Third Wave coffee, in 3 days, or everything is working out for me today, because this is literally so good. I'm not even hyping it up for the sake of the video. Like it's literally perfect. The sky looks so pretty right now, so I'm just gonna go down for a while. You know, journal or like read a book or something. Usually just walk out to Leo sitting like this near the door. I think he also wants to go. Hey, how can I say no to that face? क्या हुआ? Leo को भी जाना है? घूमी जाना है? Good morning. It's the next day. Look at my dress. Look at it. I literally got this from Sarojini. It's so freaking cute. Shut up! Like not only am I so excited because I'm going to Bougie today, but I'm so excited. Like I was so excited to get ready to wear this dress. It's literally almost 2 p.m. and I've just had a little bit of a chaotic morning because I like woke up a little bit late, and that messed everything up because like the house help was gonna come and make food, and then I had meetings, and all of that was just very like back to back. And I was supposed to take Leo on a walk before that, but I could not leave in between all of this. But now everything's finally a little bit better set in. I also ate such amazing dosa for breakfast, and I'm gonna go to Bougie at like 5 I think. But I just thought I'd start the vlog since I just wanted to show you guys my cute new dress. Just gonna put a little bit of makeup on. I also have to clean this room. As you can see, it's a mess, and also clean the house. And 2 of my favorite YouTubers posted today, Mai and Fernanda. Both of them posted, so I'm so excited to play that and just clean everything up. I'm also getting 2 of my packages today. One is from Amazon, and one are these boots I ordered literally back in November, and they're coming now. at the end of Jan, which is so great because I just wanted to wear boots at the end of winter, right? That was the whole point. I'm literally watching Fernanda's YouTube video like I told you I would, and as you can see, she literally has like all of these journals, and I haven't even heard the whole thing, but she's talking something about how she has that many journals and all of them are for like a different purpose. And I was just like, oh my god, that's such a niche experience that I just had the other day, where I literally have 6 journals, and I thought of vlogging it, but I was like, it's so irrelevant, like it's just me giving TMI. But then I saw her and I was like, oh my god, I literally experienced that the other day. Okay, I have pulled out all of my journals because I was like, who cares? I'm gonna talk about my journals if I want to talk about my journals. So these are literally all the journals I have, and I am personally not a journaling person. That's crazy to say after I literally pull out 10 of them. I'm thinking at 10 miles an hour, and when I have to write, there's so much to say and I get overwhelmed. And so for the longest time I've been like, no, I can't do this, and I just write stuff when like the worst stuff happens to me, but like good times I just get lazy and I'm like, I'll remember this, so like maybe I don't need to write it. But what I have been doing is just writing prompts, and that has helped me so much, like breaking down. Like I used to literally be like, good times, bad times, manifestation doesn't matter, like dear diary, and freaking write 2 pages. But now I've been like, that's not how you do it. So now I just write prompts, right? Like even if I'm writing like a manifestation journal or like a goal setting journal, I'll be like ins and outs, energy givers, energy takers, like just break stuff into compartments like that, and then just write like more pointed stuff. And I feel like that has been the biggest help. But going back to what I was saying, these are literally all my journals. First we have this one from Mr. DIY. I love the pattern and especially this cutout thing. It's just like a very thin journal. It was an extra I had, so I was thinking of writing about my Delhi trip in this because emotionally I was on a roller coaster, so I was like, maybe I'll write. The second journal is this one. It's from this random stationery store in Bandra. But this one I've shown before. It is literally just for my weekly planning. Like I write a month, I take a month, I write like my goals for that month, and then for every week I just break down like week 1, week 2, and just write my weekly accomplishments, goals, tracking in that. The third one is this red gingham journal that I also got from Mr. DIY. I got like 2-3 of these little really thin ones. And this one I made my life planner. I literally counted, it has like I think 60 pages, and I did some math, so I think I have like 4 or 5 pages for each month of the year. And I'm not gonna clutter this with unnecessary information. Like I'm gonna write very legit stuff in this. So I made 1 page for like word of the year, then I wrote 2025 goals, I put these stickers to write in and out, and like January goals here. This journal is I like literally the most traumatic shit that ever happened. We don't want to go through this. This one is gonna be like in a safe, in a bank, okay? Then this one is called My Morning Journal, and this basically just has all these pre-written prompts of like, yesterday things that made me smile, and today things I'm grateful for, things I look forward to. And this doesn't have any date, which I love low commitment stuff like this. I just do this once in a while whenever I had a really good day. The next one is my scrapbook from 2024. Now I do not know if I want to go ahead and continue using the scrapbook. I did not pull through, like this is all I have used in 2024. But I also feel like you kind of want a fresh start. I think right now I just feel really confident, like, oh, I'm gonna scrapbook in 2025 and I need a whole new book. But I feel like Jan's almost over and I haven't done shit. So maybe I should just continue 2025 in this book as well, but we shall see. Lastly, we have this pink planner that I also got in 2024, but thankfully it is from 2024 to 2025, and it doesn't have like too many dates written on the actual pages, so you can just go ahead and like use it pretty much in any year. But if I want to romanticize life, like write everything down, be productive, then that's great. Sometimes I'm barely getting through shit, so I don't want to like waste my energy on writing stuff down, because then it starts feeling like a task. So yeah, those are literally all my freaking journals. Now I'm really hungry, so let's go eat something. It's currently 3:20 and I think I'm gonna go to Bougie at like 5:30ish. And I am really hungry right now, so I think I'm gonna eat something. I think I have like dal rice left from yesterday. I don't know what type of Instagram my sister is on, but she comes up with the most like whack recipes that taste so good. And yesterday she introduced me to this like chili oil cucumber salad thing, and I've had it twice since then, like since yesterday. And I think I want to make that with my dal rice because it was so good. And let me show you. It's so simple to make. First you need cucumbers, of course. Chili oil. This one's from China. My dad got it and it is so freaking good. We got like 10 bottles. And the last thing is sesame seeds. So once you cut your cucumbers, you're just supposed to like marinate it with like salt. And then I have water here, and you're just supposed to add ice into this because then After a few minutes, you're just gonna wash off the salt in ice water. This makes me wanna like ice my face. Okay, cucumbers are mixed up with salt and we're just gonna let them sit here for a minute. I'm also so fucking happy that David Dobrik is back because he uploaded his new podcast. So I'm just listening to that. Like this literally makes me so happy on every Wednesday. Like more than any creator I follow. Like podcast wise, this is the one I religiously hear because it's not that educational, it's just so fun, chill. He's just so funny and I love listening to it. Just giving my cucumbers an ice bath. Dal rice is also heated up. Tell me that does not look freaking beautiful. Like being home also means eating beautiful home cooked food and this is the definition. So I'm just gonna eat this and watch some Gilmore Girls. Guys, my boost just arrived 5 minutes before I was gonna leave. Let's quickly unbox them because my camera is dying. Oh, I am literally my camera literally died, so phone will have to do for now. But this is the shoe, not bad considering I paid like 800 rupees for this. Pretty good. Let me try them on real quick. But if you ignore the zips, I think they are decently cute. I don't know how I feel about them. I'll tell you once I've worn them for a while. It's literally the next day and I totally forgot to vlog yesterday. I just went to Bougie, caught up with my friend and we talked for like 5 hours. I came home at like 12 in the night. So it was one of those days where you just literally forget to pick up your phone. I just took one picture of my coffee. But surprise, surprise, guess where I'm headed again today. So this time we're actually gonna film the cafe. This is the outfit. It's just this corset I also bought from Sarojini. This mini skirt that is Tanshi's. Black boots. My bag is outside and let's get going. I also put my glasses on so that
likes to copy me.
कपड़े उतार मेरे.
एक तेरा ना बस स्कर्ट पहना है बाकी सब.
But we look like freaky nerds for some reason. Or is it cute? I don't know. Let's go. Let's go. So beautiful. Guys, so I didn't give you context, but I met Riddhi at Bougie after I was hanging out with my sister, and now we've come to her house, okay? And we were really bored, and she is such an enabler. She always enables me to download Hinge, and I hate dating apps, okay? So all I do is just like Gora Pakoras so that we can mess with them. And right now we literally were scrolling through it, and she's just like.
You just stick it on the wall.
Yeah, she's just my phone. My phone was right here, and she's just like, just keep it here. And so since I got this today, I literally just stuck it on the wall. And now we're just gonna swipe Hinge like this.
आराम से बैठकर.
This is the setup.
We're gonna do it like this. ऐसे बैठ के.
So let's see what options we have.
Okay guys, time to judge.
Yeah,
बिल्कुल ही नाम मत बोल यार. क्या
पहली फोटो ही नंगी है. वो behavior. इस फोटो में ठीक लग रहा है.
हाँ ओके शायद से.
I already have 7 likes and I just put my account away from ghost mode.
ये तो बिल्कुल ही हटा ही दे.
No. Just like a foreign छपरी.
सब है.
Ew. Gabriel शक्ल तो नहीं दिखा रहा भाई.
There's a reason नहीं दिखा रहा है.
There's a reason. Siddharth. Rig. खून क्यों निकल रहा है इसके ना?
फिल्टर है भाई.
तो ऐसी फोटो क्यों डालेगा? ट्रिगर वार्निंग भी नहीं दे रहा है.
ये तो चलता फिरता स्केचबुक है बंदा.
Let's hear his voice, guys. We can put his voice. Cross. Sean. He's wearing cheetah print shorts. Immediate cross. Nathan. चश्मे के बिना दिखाना. ये क्या है? ये है बक्का.
Pictures में से recognize करो who am I?
Anybody who puts a group picture on Hinge is literally the one who looks the worst out of the group. No cap.
पहले बंदे को पता है. He's a.
Yeah, he knows he's the worst looking. At least he's self-aware.
ये तो रहने ही दे.
उसने लिखा है Go crazy for tiramisu. मैं हर किसी को बोल रही हूँ आई नो अ गुड प्लेस, बस सारे टूरिस्ट को यही बोल रही हूँ।
पूरी दुनिया को बूझे ही लेके जा सकती है।
बट आई नो सम व्हिस्पर्स लिखोगे लेट मी टेक यू, बट आई एम नॉट टेकिंग, वही पैसे दे रहा है तो लाइक
पहले तुम बात कर, तू पूछती क्या? The ones that who keep their nicknames as like JK or you know just like ऐसे.
name is Janendra. First round is on me. If you guess my coffee order,
लिख दे भाई आइस
black coffee with a side of phenyl.
फिनाइल भाई ज्यादा ही नहीं हो रहा तेरा.
Push-ups, pull-ups, no fuck-ups.
रहने दे, मजा नहीं
तेरी
आया.
एग्जिस्टेंस ही fuck up थी. लो भाई सब स्किनी जीन्स पहन के क्यों आ गए?
ये वो स्किनी जीन्स नहीं है by the way.
Oh my god.
क्या
I wish I could
लिखा
show
है?
you half of their faces. इतना
इतना
बड़ा
बड़ा
पैराग्राफ लिख रहा है,
five
शादी कर
marker.
रहा है क्या मुझसे भाई?
5 मार्कर क्वेश्चन बना दिए बंदे ने. ट्रूथ आने लाया, देखने दे एक बार.
I sleep by 10:30. I don't use social media. I play over 9 sports. लग तो नहीं रहा.
Honestly speaking,
ऐसे लग रहा है आज तक वर्कआउट नहीं किया है. I sleep by 10:30 क्योंकि इसकी मम्मी फोर्स करती होगी बेटा टाइम पे सो जाओ.
बहुत सॉल्टी हो रही है.
इसके माँ बाप इसका फोन लेते हैं 10:30 पे कि like this is literally a guy's first photo, like what the hell.
समरेश, समर में भी नहीं रुके उसके माँ का नाम.
Optimus Prime R रामू लग रहा है.
यार
What the actual?
एक सेकेंड.
I don't care about privacy. I have to show you this guy. This is first picture, okay? And
On
you
the
would
left
think
side.
this is him. Literally, when you scroll down, you figure out this guy is him. This guy. What the hell? Catfish goes crazy. That's so crazy. He'll be like, मैं तो था उस फोटो में, मैंने कब झूठ बोला?
पढ़ने तो दे.
सबको क्रॉस करो. Cutest. पूरी दुनिया में इसको मैं ही क्यूट लग रही हूँ. One thing I'll never do again. Look at another woman after we match.
लॉयल
ये तो फेक ही लग रहा है मुझे. इससे फेक लग रहा है. प्रोफाइल असली हो सकती है बट ये कमेंट नहीं. You can touch my butt.
need to hesitate भाई.
Hesitate. क्या था वो ऐप?
Grindr. If you actually have to date somebody, why are you putting a picture with your girl?
With your girl or with any girl भाई. Group photos with girls.
यार मेरा अंकल बहुत ही गंदा आ रहा है.
इससे डेट कर लो. एआई डाल दिए हमने, एनिमल डाल दिया.
जब से वो चेंजेस करे ना सेटिंग में और बुरे लड़के आने लग गए हैं.
वो लास्ट बंदा कौन था?
सारी ट्रायल रूम सेल्फीज ही हैं.
एचएनएम में बस अमीर बनने की एक्टिंग कर ली है.
टिपिकल है. मतलब संडे पार्टी, आई गो क्रेजी फॉर ट्रैवलिंग. अच्छा बहुत ही बड़ी चीज कर ली. वन वर्ड आंसर.
बहुत ही बड़ी चीज.
Dating me is like amazing. Dating me is like amazing. Guys, इसको तो मतलब कभी 8 मार्कर क्वेश्चन तो देना ही मतलब इसका नाइटमेयर है इस बंदे का.
लेकिन
अरे सर्फिंग में पहननी पड़ती है यार.
नहीं भाई.
ये आप हिंज पे ऐसे पिक्चर्स क्यों डाल रहे हो?
मैं खुद ही ऐप पे जाके जनरेट कर लूँ ना फिर कोई मेरा ड्रीम मैन. इसको क्यों बात करूँ इससे?
अभी कोल्ड प्ले पे होके आया है. इसने फटाफट अपडेट कर दिया. कमेंट इफ यू बीन हियर.
हाँ मतलब 2 लाख में से 1 के साथ तो हो जाएगा वर्कआउट.